Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change font size and contrast on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G, and you can easily make your Samsung Galaxy phone easy to use, larger font size and high contrast. Here are the process. Tap on settings of your Samsung Galaxy. Here scroll down and you will find the option accessibility. Tap on accessibility. Here you will find vision enhancements. At the top of the page, vision enhancement. Tap on it. Here you will find three options: default, high contrast and enlarge. So choose as per your choice. If you choose enlarge and choose apply, you can see your font size is highly contrasted and easy to use. If you choose high contrast, then your Samsung Galaxy will go on dark mode and also highlighted font. If you enlarge content, then your Samsung Galaxy phone font size will change and easy to use. Enlarge font size and some other features also in large mode. If you want to change it, then you can easily choose default settings and you will back in normal mode. That's all.